isn't very safe. Okay. Start moving. Yeah, there we go. We're on the countable, I think. Yeah, there we go. 3, 2. Right, so we actually need to go all the way to full speed. Pull it up. Is that full speed? Yep, it is. Because last time, I think I've messed up a few times and it just went down, down, and down, crashed in the water. 3, 2, 1. Pull back. But be very careful. You've got to go a bit high, but just make sure that you don't tilt too much, otherwise bad things could happen. You can do a few trick shots, you know, tricks. I'm going to try out... What do these things even do? I've just been dropping bombs. I don't know why I'm looking out of the thing, but fair enough. Okay. Okay. Is this the thing? Right, okay, so now we need to head that way. Why are you even still recording? Yeah, I'm still recording. Okay. It's just weird how it's so smooth. The gameplay is so smooth. This could be a very quick fight if it keeps being like this. This could be a very quick video. Quicker than I thought. So I want to make sure it's smooth. So I found out that I only just found out that they don't actually just go all the way down. You know, just put both wheels on the ground at the same time, both front and back wheels. They don't do that. I found out that they put the back wheels down first, so they lift the front up a bit at the beginning of landing, and then they slowly start to put the front wheels down. So yeah, so you learn something new every day, don't you? Well, that's what they all say. Here we go. Oh, oops. Right, here we go. There we go. Much better. Okay, that actually scared me. Thought I'd crash, but it didn't, so yeah. Here we go. There it is. There's our final landing. In, I don't know, somewhere in Antarctica? Probably in Antarctica. Imagine living in Antarctica though. God, it'd be freezing. How many people even live in Antarctica? Here we go. Okay. I bet you I'll be talking to my mates, because I'm pretty sure we once talked about VRChat in school. I think which one's better, Rec Room or VRChat. I said Rec Room. We just, you know, sort of arguing at the gate before we went in. Oh my lord, it was cool, I guess. Yeah, but I think Rec Room might be better, even though it doesn't have, you know, little fighter jets like this. Seriously though, it was made, I don't know, like 6 years ago. Yeah, 6 years ago in June. Okay, so I think I'll just keep on turning like that, but I'll slow down. Down, 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 down. I'm close to the runway now. I don't want to, you know, miss it and then have to go again. Oh god, I just realised what I'm doing. No, up, 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 up. Right, okay. Move up a bit, move faster. Okay, I just realised we're going down. You're definitely going down. Right, here we go. Go for this one here. And I think we'll get to about halfway here. Stop, stop, go down. Right, here we go, down, down, down. I think we might make it. I'm not sure though, so we're lined up with the runway. Here we go. This way, that's it, yeah. This way, this way. Right, now we're going to pull up. About now. Pull up, yeah, pull up. And we should still go down. There we go. We're going down. Yeah, we're going down. We're definitely on the runway this time though. It's down, down, down. No, careful, careful. Oh, that's a bit too hard. Okay, that wasn't actually that hard this time. That wasn't that hard. But we're off the runway. It's a bit too late now. Okay, we're completely slowed down now. And in a minute, I think we're going to park up in one of those bases there. Alright, go see, we've completely stopped now, so I'm going to move into this part here. Turn, 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 turn. I don't think that works. Okay. Well, even though I'm off the wrong way, I'm going to head. Yeah, I'm going to head off. Alright. I'll be back.